The best-selling heavy-duty sewing machine isn't always the best for your actual projects. Everyone assumes the most popular model can handle thick fabrics, but when you dig into real use, some struggle with denim, others skip stitches on leather, and a few overheat after 30 minutes. Today, we're cutting through the hype. Product number 1, Singer 4452 Holiday Bundle. First up is the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 Holiday Bundle. This one stands out because it's not just a machine, it's a full starter kit. At $249.99, it comes with an extension table and 2 bonus presser feet, which immediately gives you more workspace and versatility. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 110-stitch applications mean you're not stuck with basics. You get stretch stitches for knits, decorative ones for embellishment, and a one-step buttonhole that actually works consistently. The full metal frame keeps everything stable, even when sewing through 6 layers of canvas. And with a top speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, you're not waiting around. Plus, the LED light brightens your needle area without casting shadows, something small but huge when you're working late. Now, some people complained about the plastic outer casing feeling a bit flimsy compared to all-metal builds. Here's the thing though, the internal frame is solid steel, so the machine doesn't wobble or shift during heavy use. The plastic shell keeps weight down and cost reasonable. If you're doing professional upholstery work 24/7, maybe look elsewhere. But for most home sewists tackling thick fabrics weekly, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you want a complete setup without buying extras separately. Skip this one if you already own a good extension table and specialty feet. For under $250, you're getting serious power and practical add-ons, great value. Product number 2, Singer 4423 Standard Model. Now, if the bundle extras in the last model felt unnecessary, the Singer 4423 gives you pure performance at $229.99. It's lighter on accessories but heavier on core function. This is the no-frills workhorse. What caught my eye was the automatic needle threader, which sounds small but saves your eyes and patience, especially when switching threads often. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 60% stronger motor delivers real piercing power. Think sewing through 2 layers of denim plus interfacing without slowing down. The 97-stitch applications cover everything from basic seams to stretch fabrics, and the one-step buttonhole is reliable across different fabric weights. The stainless steel bedplate ensures smooth feeding, so your material doesn't drag or bunch. Now, some users reported the accessory tray feels cramped and parts can fall out if you tilt the machine. Here's the thing though, the essentials are included and well-made: all-purpose foot, zipper foot, even a walking foot option. If you're organized or use a separate storage box, it's a non-issue. But if you're messy or travel with your machine, it might annoy you. This is perfect for you if you want maximum power and speed without paying for extras you won't use. Skip this one if you need built-in quilting space or multiple specialty feet. At under $230, it's a solid investment for serious sewers who prioritize performance over packaging. Product number 3, Singer 4423 Meltwater Blue. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better if style and precision matter to you. The Singer 4423 in Meltwater Blue isn't just a color change, it's the same powerful machine with a modern design that doesn't scream grandma sewing room. At $239.99, it's priced slightly higher, but the build quality feels premium. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable presser foot pressure lets you dial in just the right tension for delicate silks or thick leather. No more skipped stitches or fabric damage. The extra high presser foot lift gives you room to slide in bulky quilts or multiple layers, which is a game changer for home decor projects. Plus, the free arm makes hemming pants or sewing cuffs effortless. And yes, it still hits 1,100 stitches per minute with that enhanced motor. Now, some buyers mention the blue finish can show fingerprints and smudges more than darker models. Here's the thing though, it's easy to wipe clean, and honestly, if you're proud of your machine, why hide it? This isn't a flaw in function, just in maintenance. If you keep your workspace tidy, it stays looking sharp. This is perfect for you if you sew a mix of fabric types and want a machine that looks as good as it performs. Skip this one if you prefer minimalist black or gray and don't care about aesthetics. You're paying a little more for design, but getting full heavy-duty capability. Product number 4, Singer 4411 Pink Edition. Now, if the previous models felt too industrial, the Singer 4411 in pink brings personality without sacrificing power. At $229.99, it's one of the lighter options at 14 pounds, making it easier to move around, great if you share a crafting space. Don't let the color fool you. This thing sews through denim like butter. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 60% stronger motor handles thick seams, and the 69-stitch applications include stretch and decorative options for creative projects. The top drop-in bobbin with clear cover means you never run out of thread mid-project, huge for long seams. And at 1,100 stitches per minute, it keeps up with faster sewers. Now, some reviewers noted the 4-step buttonhole isn't as quick as a 1-step system. Here's the thing though, it's still accurate and reliable, just takes a few extra seconds. If you make lots of buttonholes daily, it might slow you down. But for occasional use, it's perfectly fine. This is perfect for you if you want a bold, capable machine that's easy to handle and comes with useful extras. Skip this one if you need 1-step buttonholes or sew extremely heavy materials daily. For hobbyists and DIYers, it's a fun, functional choice. Product number 5, Singer 4432 Black Model. Finally, the Singer 4432 in black offers a balance of power, stitch variety, and sleek design at $239.99. What sets it apart is the 110 stitch applications, same as the 4452, but in a simpler package without the holiday bundle extras. If you want maximum stitch options without paying for accessories you may not need, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The enhanced piercing power handles multiple layers of canvas or upholstery fabric without strain. The full metal frame ensures zero wobble even at high speed. The top drop-in bobbin with clear cover prevents jams and lets you monitor thread, critical when working on long seams. And the 1-step buttonhole, consistent every time. Plus, the LED light is bright and well placed. Now, a few users said the instruction manual is vague on tension adjustments for heavy fabrics. Here's the thing though, the Creativate app, free with purchase, has video tutorials and troubleshooting that make up for it. Once you learn the basics, it's smooth sailing. This is perfect for you if you want top-tier stitch variety and durability in a clean, no-nonsense design. Skip this one if you're a complete beginner who needs hand-holding. For intermediate to advanced sewers, it's a reliable long-term partner. So which heavy-duty sewing machine wins? The 4452 bundle is best if you want everything included. The 4423 models offer raw power, standard or stylish blue. The pink 4411 adds fun and portability, and the black 4432 gives you the most stitches without fluff. All handle thick fabrics, but your choice depends on your project's space and style. Drop your sewing goals below, I'll help you pick the right one.